Now that we solve all the problems, I just want to show you one little more trick as a bonus. Let's open one of our images here. And this is just for an example purpose only. Let's say if you had a beach shooting or maybe an editorial in the sun or maybe some California vibes. Let me show you how you can apply some tan filter on the model skin. Our model is already looking very great, but maybe we want to darken the skin a little bit. But we're not just gonna go with our curved layer adjustment and make the whole image darker. No, we just want the skin to look tan. So what I normally do is I'm going here, click channel mixer, and what I'm doing is I'm gonna hit this monochrome option here. On the reds, I want a -10 on the red channel. Greens, I'm gonna go with 0, and the blues, I'm gonna turn the blues up at 110, just like this. So this is gonna affect only the blue channel and the red channel of my image. Then I'm gonna change the blending modes to luminosity. And now look at this, the whole skin is looking a little bit darker, a little bit tanner. But as I normally advise you, invert the layer mask, because we don't want this filter to be applied on the whole image. We just want this filter to be applied on the model skin. Now, with 100% brush and 100% flow, just paint onto the model's face. Just gonna speed it up a little bit. Right. Don't worry, I know that now it looks a little bit exaggerated, but we're not gonna keep it like this. And now her skin looks a lot tanner. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna decrease my opacity all the way to 0%, and then I'm gonna increase it little by little. And now here you are, before and after. And this is how you can create a tan skin or achieve a much darker skin tone.